In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt for text correction. Whether you're working on an important document, crafting a message, or simply looking to improve your writing skills, Chatgpt offers an intuitive and effective way to ensure your text is polished and error-free. Let's dive into the process to make the most out of this powerful AI tool. First things first, identify the text you want to correct. This could be a paragraph from an email, a snippet from an essay, or even a brief social media post. Highlight and copy this text, making sure you have it ready to paste into Chatgpt. This step sets the foundation, ensuring you're clear about what needs improvement. Next, decide on the type of correction you're aiming for. Are you looking for general grammar and punctuation fixes? Or are you hoping to refine your style and tone? Perhaps you need specific feedback on clarity and coherence. By understanding the nature of the correction you need, you can tailor the process to fit your specific goals. Now, it's time to write a clear and concise prompt. The key here is clarity. Articulate what you hope to achieve with the correction. For instance, you might say, "Please correct grammatical errors and improve the sentence structure in the following text." Or even, "Enhance the tone to be more professional." This step is crucial as a well-crafted prompt guides Chatgpt to provide the most relevant and accurate assistance. Remember, the clearer your prompt, the better the correction you'll receive. Take your time to make your request as specific as possible. If you're unsure about what to include, think of any details that would help clarify your needs, such as maintaining a specific voice or ensuring technical terminology is used appropriately. Once your prompt is ready, input it along with your copied text into Chatgpt. Chatgpt will process your request and, in a matter of moments, furnish you with a corrected version of the text. This corrected version will reflect the improvements based on the clarity of your instructions, so meticulously reviewing the output is always a good idea. And there you have it. Now you can conveniently copy and paste this freshly polished text into your document, email, or wherever it was intended to go. This user-friendly approach not only streamlines the editing process, but also provides learning opportunities as you see the changes made to your original text. By following these simple steps, you can harness the power of Chatgpt to enhance the quality of your writing. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you in achieving the polished text that meets your needs. Be sure to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.